Miller 3-point quick clamp. Parts description. Hook. The safety rope should only be gently hooked onto the rim. Do not pull or drag it with force. Handle. Bubble level. Use the level bubble to check whether the clamp is properly installed. Target shaft hole. Shaft locking handle. Use the handle to lock the target and make sure the level bubble on the target is centered. Slider. The slider is used to press against the wheel. Adjust the slider position to fit different tire sizes. There are scale marks on it. Try to keep both sides symmetrical. Hook positioning pin. Use the pull pin to match different hole positions. Clamp installation and operation steps. Step 1. Distinguish the left and right clamps according to the axle lock handle. Step 2. Press the slider firmly against the tire. Step 3. Adjust to center the level bubble. Step 4. Gently hook the safety rope. Operating steps for use on large tires. Step 1. Raise the upper slider. Step 2. Loosen the side handle. Step 3. Pull the positioning pin and adjust it to the appropriate hole. Step 4. Place the clamp on a flat surface. Ensure the hook and the left and right sliders are on the same plane. Tighten the side handle. If the hook is loose, level the surface before tightening the handle. Place the clamp firmly on a flat surface, ensuring the hook and sliders are parallel. Tighten the handle. Step 5. Slide the left and right sliders. Thanks for watching.